how do I put less down today, then lower my payment later without refinancing? Let me show you how. So what's more commonly known is what's called a principal paydown. And basically what happens if you have a 30-year mortgage and you make a big lump sum payment, let's call it $50,000 or something like that, you may chop off 5 years and you pay off the house in 25 years instead of 30 years. Then there's this other option, what's called recasting. And with recasting, you get a 30-year mortgage. And what happens if you make a big lump sum payment, what happens is actually your payment lowers. It's almost like if you put 10% down for a house and then you recast the other 10% later because you won the lottery or you got a job raise bonus, and now you have 20% down, right? But you can essentially purchase the house sooner. And then in the future, if you know that money's coming in, you can recast the loan. It'll be almost like you had that 20% down. Now you'll still pay off the house in the regular 30-year schedule. Normally when I see this strategy is if somebody's putting 5 to 10% down, knowing that they're getting a raise or a bonus like stock options, etc. A lot of my clients are in the tech industry, so maybe some vested stocks. And then in the future, they have another 10 to 20% down. Then they can do what's called the recasting to essentially lower the payment. Now, what they're doing is actually really smart is because they're counteracting what happens, right? Is over time, home prices generally go up over time. So essentially they know that in the future, property tax is going to be more expensive. The home price is going to be more expensive. Plus you got to put more money down. So recasting is a really good strategy if you wanted to buy sooner rather than later, knowing that you could lower the payment in the future without refinancing. So I hope those tips help you during your home buying journey. Follow along for more home buying tips.